Hi, today I'm part of Cat S75 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near Green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice OK, and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to Green Apple keyboard. So the process is finished, and let's check the new keyboard. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of our emojis. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.